So let's learn the blockquote tag and understand why we need this tag. Let's say we have a paragraph with a text free code camp says, then we have a quote. So I'm gonna write the blockquote. What free code camp says is programming is awesome. And let's say it says other things as well. So I'm gonna put a dummy text of 20 words. If you save the file, you can see the paragraph text here and the blockquote text is here. This blockquote text is indented by the browser. So you can say that it looks like a definition list. Yes, it slightly looks like definition list, but the use case of definition list and this blockquote tag is different, because in definition list we give a definition term, then we give definition data, and here we are adding this paragraph separately and this blockquote separately. We use the definition list while we show data from our site, but we use this blockquote tag when we give data to the user from other sources. In this case, the source is free code camp. So this text is not provided by us. This is told by free code camp. So we do not own this. It is from different source. So while we will provide some data or content from different source, we will use the blockquote tag. It looks like definition list, but definition list has some other use cases, because in the blockquote tag has another attribute which is a cite. Here we can give reference of the source to the browser. So in this case the reference would be https://www.freecodecamp.org. So this is the source. So we tell the browser this content is from another source and the source is this. So if I save the file, it is, you can see the output.